guys, I'm out here sporting the old school Bebop. I haven't flown this thing in like forever, so we are going to give it a shot here. Even though it's windy and it may blow away into the lake. Who knows, man? Who knows with this thing? Let me start the video up. It's 1080p only, you know, with the Bebops. There is no 4K, none of that stuff. I'm just gonna dangle around over here for a little bit to see how this thing flies. I have not flown this in like a year. I would say at least a year. I could have swore I just charged the battery, but it says here it's 79%, so maybe the battery's starting to go bad, who knows. I know that wind's taking it all over the place. Oh yeah, it's dancing around like crazy. Okay, this might be a no dice here, okay. Okay, look at this thing. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna be going up over the lake, okay. Because this is it's looking a little rocky. Great drone, but it's, I mean, I think the only time I ever crashed, not this one, my other one, I have the red one, was when it was windy like this. It just flopped over, you know, the wind just took it like it's doing. Look at this. It's hanging. You know, it's hanging for right now. I actually don't want to take it up too high because I don't want some gust of wind just to grab it and take it away. No, okay. You know, it's this gusty type wind. You know, you have your regular, you know, 5 miles an hour, and then it comes in with these big, you know, these big gusts, and that's what you got to worry about. When it's the 5-10 miles an hour, you don't worry, you know, but when you get these big tidal waves of wind coming in, that's when you gotta worry. This thing still flies great, man. I mean, seriously. I think this thing does flips if I'm not mistaken. I'm just not sure if I remember how to do it. Maybe that was on the other controller. The little fly pad. I know I used to do flips with it with the fly pad. I'm not sure about this one. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so Okay, so you hold the B button in and then go to the direction you want. Okay. So that actually still works, the flips. Okay, I'm getting battery getting low here. I gotta bring it in. This battery must be getting, this is one of the Bebop batteries. They're old, man. I mean, I've had these things for years and years, and they're not smart batteries. And so if you don't properly discharge them, you know, you're not gonna get the life expectancy out of them that you would normally get. Like these DJI batteries seem to last forever because they discharged at the perfect storage amount. So, but these, I try to maintain them as good as I can, but sometimes you just forget, you know, with all these damn quadcopters floating around. Sometimes you just forget, you know. So, oh well. That's the way it goes. You gotta love those Bebop landings. Alright guys, there you go. Bebop 1 Original. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.